FaizDjam-mers! Today we're here for another unboxing video.
My dad was looking for a webcam and the salesman recommended this to him.
This is the Microsoft Lifecam HD-3000. This is what it looks like in the box. This is what the webcam looks like. Here are the specs behind it. Behind the box. Okay. Now it says here 720p HD video chat and recording widescreen, certified for Skype for business, noise reducing microphone. I guess it has a built-in one, and then wired for battery-free operation. True color technology for bright and colorful video. Compatible with Windows 10, 3-year hardware warranty. You must accept warranty and agreement. Microsoft.com/accessories/warranty. Period.
Let us open the box.
Two hours later.
It's so tiny and shiny.
Tiny, shiny, baby.
Okay, let's remove the cam.
So here's the instruction manual and the warranty, the product guide. No, we're not interested in those. We're interested in the Wait, is it supposed to go through like that? So this is the camera. As you can see, there's this shiny metal around it. No glass in front of the lens. Very glossy texture. The Microsoft name. HD on top of the shiny. There's this light indicator. It will light up if it's working or not. Here are the microphone inlets. One of them is the noise cancellation, I mean. And the other one's just regular mic. You could also swivel it from left to right. You could also adjust this. You can make it sit on your table or desk, or you could hang it onto your monitor. There's also this USB cable. It's plug and play, so you don't need to install any special software or application. So now let's check the quality of this camera. So yeah, I connected my camera already to the PC, and when I turned on OBS, the light on the camera is now turned on. So I'm guessing that any application that requires a camera like Skype or any other, the light on the camera may light up. So this is how you add a video capture device on OBS. First, click this add plus button, then video capture device. Click OK, and it auto detects the camera. Okay, so the quality of the camera actually looks good. I love it. Okay. So this is without additional light source. I'm guessing that if I had any additional lighting source, the quality may be better. Anywho, I don't even have one. So yeah, this is the Microsoft Lifecam HD-3000.
That's it for now, guys. We hope you enjoyed our video.
If you did, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever you upload. And leave a comment down in the comment section below.
See you next time. Bye!